right? So I hope you all are safe at home. Yes. Okay. Very nice. Okay. So on like after a 3 months break, 2.5, 3 months, right? We are starting with our e-class, that is your online module 4. We are starting with your module 4. Whatever it is remaining, we shall cover it up. I hope there would be a lot of doubts in your mind, right? But don't worry, everything we are going to solve it out. Huh? Step by step, we will cover it up, everything. Fine? If you have any doubt, you all can come up, you can ask. Okay? आपको कोई भी doubt है, पूछो. ठीक है? We are here to solve. We will cover up all your theory modules, all your practical modules. Okay? आपका सब कुछ लिया जाएगा, everything step by step हम cover करेंगे. अभी हम first start कर रहे हैं, that is with your module 4. Then later on we will come up with everything. Okay? If you have any doubt, you want to ask something, please raise your hand and unmute yourself and ask. Okay? But not all together, one by one. Okay? Anybody having any doubt? No? Pakka? Okay, fine. Nice. Really feeling so good looking at you all. We are really missing our Vidyanidhi. विद्यानिधि के सारे स्टूडेंट्स को क्लास में जैसे क्लास में लेते थे और अभी यहाँ पे फ्रॉम होम वी आर टेकिंग, बट इट इज रियली गुड टू सी यू ऑल विथ ऑल योर स्माइलिंग फेसेस. I hope you all also enjoy, right? Okay, fine. Any doubts you have, any queries, children? आपको कोई भी queries है, कोई doubts है, you all are free to ask. Is there any query? Any query, children? Any query? पक्का? बाद में आएंगे. Okay. The one who are please Falguni, Mahanur, Pathan, Poonam, if you all can put on your videos, I can see your faces. After a long time, I need to see all my children.
Ma'am, actually, I'm trying. Hi, sorry, Poonam here. I'm trying to do my the sing video on, but it is asking for some specific permission, so that's the reason unable to do so.
You have to log in. Log out and then again log in.
Okay, I'll just do that, and I'll redial it again. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. So, shall we start with the module 4? Do you have your book along with you? A notebook? Yes? Okay, fine. Now, before I start, as you all know, our theory lectures, diploma has 3 theory modules, right? 100 marks. Okay, and the 4th module is Viva. Okay, now I would like to share with you all something. Just a second. Okay, I would like to request everyone here, जितने भी है जिनका वीडियो ऑन नहीं है, अगर वीडियो ऑन नहीं होगा, we will put you on a waiting room में डाल दिया जाएगा. So make sure your video should be on. Make your video on. Alka. Please put on your video. Yes. Okay. So here your theory modules, children. That was 100 marks. Now your module 4, that is of 100 marks. How it would be conducted, कैसे लेंगे हम यहाँ, and how we will move ahead. I'll show you, I'll guide you with few things. Now your module 4 is play activities for children. Now in module 4, as we have discussed earlier, we all know that ECC setup follows playway method, right? हमने already learn किया है in our theory module that ECC follows playway method. And in this module, we will learn about different play activities that the preschool conducts to foster holistic development of a child. Now, holistic development of a child, that is all-round development, fine motor, gross motor. Yes, can you help me out? Children, you all can unmute yourself one by one and you can tell me all-round development, holistic development, areas of development, come on.
Cognitive development.
Cognitive development, yes.
Language development.
Language, yes.
Motor development.
Social development. Okay. Social development, very good.
Emotional.
Emotional development, yes.
Language
Yes.
development.
So these language, yes. Now you can mute yourself. Okay. Now here, see, these activities would help the child for an all-round development. Okay. ये जो हम activities देखेंगे in module 4, this would be completely based on all-round development. Okay. This module actually shows you how to perform different activities with the preschoolers through playway method in order to bring about development in different areas like motor, cognitive, social, etc. And at the same time, introduce and clarify the concepts to them. Like for example, when we talk about fine motor development, so fine motor related, what type of activities you can conduct in the class, then this activities will actually help you out when you go in your live classroom. जब आप as a teacher class में perform करोगे, so you should know what type of activities I can conduct. Like for example, fine motor related, आप कौन सी activities लोगे? So you can go with a paper tearing, threading of beads, lacing activity. Okay. Now, for example, if you want to go with a cognitive activities, what type of cognitive activities you can conduct? You can take a game of memory and observation, right? So all these areas of development are covered through these activities. Okay. Now, how would your module 4 lectures conducted? In this module, there are 44 play activities. In all, there are 44 play activities, and all the activities would be performed and demonstrated before you. यहाँ पर मैं आपको सारी all 44 activities conduct करके दिखाऊंगी. Okay? This will help you to understand the importance of each activity. मतलब आपको पता चलेगा कि अगर for example walking activity है, so walking activity, how it would helpful for a child in a preschooler. आपको कैसे वो activity perform करके दिखानी है बच्चों को, कैसे करवाओगे आप, okay? So how to perform the same in the live classroom and what are you expected to do on the examination. अब आपके examinations related भी रहेगा, मैं आपको step by step सब कुछ समझाऊंगी. While demonstrating the activities, no real teaching aids or materials will be used by the faculty except for a chalk and a blackboard. Now, it would be completely imaginary. यहाँ पर भी मैं आपको जो activities करके दिखाऊंगी, it would be completely imaginary. Okay, I would not be having any teaching aids, no props. Okay. Same thing when you are in the classroom, when you go for your examination, at that time also you are not supposed to use anything. It would be completely imaginary. You can use blackboard and a chalk. The demonstration shall be entirely based on an imagination. Here the students have to maintain silence. Now when you enter the classroom, here you have to make sure that you are on your mute. Observe each demonstration carefully and not respond to the faculty during demonstration. Now, while I'm performing these activities, make sure you are on a mute. If you have any doubts, any questions, make a note, and after I complete an activity, I will give you a chance to say, okay, if you have any doubts, you all can come up and ask. After each performance, the students can ask questions with the respect to the performance. Students are expected to take a note as and when necessary. Wherever it is necessary, you can write. Now, how are your exams going to conduct for your module 4? Now see, as you know, this module is completely a viva, oral, no written examination for this. And here at present, as we are all locked down, so exams would be once the school starts. The government gives us a permission, then only we will be having, or we will be able to conduct the exam. Okay. There is no written examination for module 4. A viva, voice or oral examination is going to be conducted for module 4. Out of the 44 activities in the module 4, on the day of your viva examination, you have to perform any 2. Now, there would be a bowl of chits, and in that, all 44 activities would be there. You have to pick up 2 chits and perform. So, any 2 consisting of 50 marks. So, hence your module 4 is of 100 marks. You will have to pick up 2 chits from a bowl containing 44 chits. Each chit will carry the name of an activity. 5 minutes would be given to you to prepare for the 2 activities. Once the evaluator calls out your name, you have to go ahead and perform your activity. The students should hand over the chits and hall tickets to the evaluator before performing the activity. Now, once you get the chits, you have to keep quiet, चुपचाप बैठो, सोचो क्या perform करना है, मुझे कैसे perform करना है. You have to think on that. Okay, you will get a 5 minutes to perform, to think over it. And once your name is called out, you have to give your chits to the evaluator, your hall ticket, and you have to perform. Now, the most important thing, you will get 10 minutes to perform both the activities. So in all, you have 10 minutes, 5 minutes for each. There will be no children sitting in front of you. आपको imagine करना है, okay, कि आपके सामने बच्चे हैं. You have to perform in front of the set students like you have come to appear for their module 4 examination. The topics have to be performed in an imaginary way. You have to imagine मेरे सामने छोटे-छोटे बच्चे हैं. As if I am taking a live classroom, you have to imagine and you have to perform that activity. That is, you have to imagine that you have children sitting in front of you. No teaching aid or a prop have to be used except chalk and blackboard. Be precise in your explanation. You need not elaborate the topic and exceed the time limit, but at the same time, appropriate explanation and is expected from you. Now, when, for example, a color, you are taking a concept of color. Which color is this? Oh, this is a red color. Okay, come on, Ishani, tell me which color? Red color. Okay, Vihan, which color? Red color. Yes, Om, tell me which color? Okay, fine. Then you switch. Okay, don't go on and on and on. Okay, you have to see that I have 10 minutes, 10 minutes में मुझे खत्म करना है. ऐसा भी ना हो जाए कि फटाफट आप कुछ एक्सप्लेन ही ना करो और 5 मिनट्स में दोनों एक्टिविटी कर लो. ऐसे भी नहीं होना चाहिए और ऐसा भी नहीं हो कि आप 10 मिनट से ज्यादा ले लो. ठीक है, so make sure you go according to it. On the day of your exams, you are not allowed to carry your books. Yes, आप exams देने जा रहे हो, तो books नहीं. You should maintain complete silence in your examination hall. discussing the topic with your classmates would lead to reduction of 25 marks. अब आप क्लास में बैठे हो, एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में हो, आपके पास बुक्स नहीं है, लेकिन आपके फ्रेंड ने आपको पूछा, अरे ये एक्टिविटी जरा बताना कौन सी है, कैसे बोलूं, तो वहां पर आप नहीं बता सकते हो. अगर आप एक दूसरे के साथ बात करते हुए पकड़े गए तो 25 मार्क्स आपके डिडक्ट होंगे, आपके भी होंगे और आपके फ्रेंड के भी होंगे. सो बेटर इट इज यू डू नॉट टॉक. ओके, नो डिस्कशन, कुछ भी नहीं बोलना है. उस टाइम पर आपको इवैल्यूएटर कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, लेकिन जब आप परफॉर्म करने जाओगे, आप हॉल टिकट दोगे, ऑटोमेटिकली आपके 25 मार्क्स कट हो जाएंगे. भले आपने बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म किया है, यू हैव डन योर एक्टिविटी वेरी नाइसली, बट देन ऑल्सो इफ यू हैव कॉट टॉकिंग, आपके 25 मार्क्स कट होंगे. फाइन, so make sure you don't talk. Once done, you have to collect your hall ticket and leave the classroom. Now waiting for your friends or your fellow students is strictly not allowed. आपकी activity हो गई, आप जा सकते हो. Fine. So these are the instructions for your module 4. Any doubt? पूछ सकते हो? No?
No.
पक्का? Anybody?
Miss,
Yes, Bhavna, want to ask something? Yes, tell me.
any 2 activities we have to perform now?
Yes, any 2
Out of-
activities आपको चिट उठानी है, उसमें से जो भी आएगी वो आपको परफॉर्म करना है.
Okay. Okay.
Anybody? Yes, Divyashri?
I missed the first. Actually, I missed. I don't know, something.
Pardon?
Connection problem happened. Some connection problem happened here. So I
Okay.
just yeah. I didn't hear anything what you said. It was
Anything related to?
module 4. I didn't hear.
I'm not
Actually-
able to hear you properly.
Yeah, actually, it was not connecting, ma'am. So I was not able to be in touch with the whatever you were showing now in the slide. I was not able to hear
Okay.
or see
It was
anything.
the instructions related to module 4. I would just brief you. In this module 4, there are 44 activities which you all have to, here I'm going to show, perform all the 44 activities. If you have any doubts related to that, you can, after the class, like after the activities shown, you can ask. I will help you out for that. In your Viva exams, it is of 100 marks. There are all 44 chits would be there in a bowl. You have to pick up 2 chits. Whatever activity is there, you have to perform. Okay? It is 10. You get 10 minutes to perform both the activities. It would be completely imaginary. Fine? Any doubts? No? Completely fine? Yes? So shall we start? I want you all to open page number 52. ECC at module 4. Page number 52.
I wanted to ask one question.
Yes, please ask.
I am from 14 September batch, so the exam will be same because of this lockdown. There are any changes in the date of an examination?
Yes, dear, there would be, because here yet we have not started anything. We are from home.
Yes.
Okay. And जब तक गवर्नमेंट के कोई नॉर्म्स रूल्स रेगुलेशंस नहीं आते, वो जब तक नहीं बताते हैं, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं.
As if we are an
I
housewife, so
myself, हाँ,
our child to have online classes in school, and also we don't have any time at all to do our studies and all the project work. So as if I am from September batch, तो September तो अभी आ जाएगा, तो I was worried कि मैं exam कैसे
we
दूँ?
will surely, नहीं, we will surely consider that. मुझे पता है, हम ये सारी चीजें कंसिडर करेंगे, क्योंकि अभी हम खुद भी यहाँ पे, I myself is in a contaminated zone. हमारी खुद की बिल्डिंग में है, यहाँ सोसाइटी में, तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. We are
Because my
self-quarantined.
sorry, my child now have online classes. Two of daughters from morning till 1:30 they are on online, and she's too small. So I'm totally in that only
Okay.
online classes. So I'm not getting time at all to do my work. So I was worried
No
how I
problem.
will.
We will surely.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Don't worry. We will surely consider that. Anybody else? Anything? Yes. Tell me, Chitra. Unmute yourself and say yes.
Yes, ma'am. I just had a small query that with respect to the module 4, since you said all these are imaginary activities where with the imaginary and creativity comes to the fore when you have to perform. So it will be like
Yes.
now that to be very frank, it was a COVID time, and what you teach online now, maybe for some days we will be very fresh, but till the exam comes, which might be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, that 44 will come to
Okay.
half. And what unfortunately chit you grab, you don't remember at that given point of time. What is to be done?
Don't worry. I'll make sure it gets fit to you and you remember everything. It's very easy. Don't worry. It's very easy.
Okay,
कर
fine.
लोगे तब तक याद रहेगा. मैं इतने अच्छे से आपको सिखा दूंगी कि आपको याद रहेगा ही रहेगा.
Thank you so much.
ठीक है? Yes, Yashika is smiling over there. Okay, fine. So, shall we move ahead?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Module 4, page number 52, play activities for children. Gross motor development. What is gross motor development? Yes, children, tell me. Yes, Swati? Want to say something? Anybody? Gross motor development? Yes.
of the child.
Development of
called
hands.
gross motor.
Hands and
Movement of legs,
Hands.
running,
walking,
climbing,
running,
swimming,
climbing.
dancing.
Okay. Okay. It is related to large muscles.
Big muscles. Yeah, large muscles.
Yes. Hands and legs. So here, related to gross motor development, what type of activities we can conduct? We as a teacher, when we enter the class, okay, as a teacher, मैं कौन सी activities करवा सकती हूँ? Gross motor related. So here, activities for gross motor development include the following. All activities such as running, it is in your book. All activities such as running, skipping, climbing, swimming, etc. Racing, dancing, moving to music, and stretching tall. Stretching tall, that is on your toes. Okay? How do you stretch? On your toes. Okay? Then becoming a little ball, etc. Becoming a little ball. You fold your yes. Correct. Hands, legs, knees को fold करके बैठते हो. That is becoming a little ball. Games such as going over obstacles, balancing on bars, playing musical chair, etc. enhance gross motor development. Now, equipments which help in gross motor development are as follows. Climbing frames. Do you all know what are climbing frames? पता है? जिनको नहीं पता है बताओ. Raise your hand. Okay. Wait, I'll show you all. Just a second. Have you seen such type of thing? Can you all see? Yes? दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Can you all see this? Yes?
Yes.
हाँ. Okay. Gardens में देखते हैं ना हम? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So these are climbing frames. Okay. Tricycles and scooters, slides and swings. Balancing board. Balancing board. Yes. Balancing
Seesaw.
board. पता है ना?
Seesaw.
Yes.
Kind of seesaw type of.
Yes, yes. Sandpit, wooden and rope ladders, large and hollow wooden blocks. Have you seen those tunnels? देखिए tunnels, blocks जो होते हैं जहाँ से even they have a tunnels and then they have to slide down.
Yes.
Okay. Now here let's start with the activity. The first activity that is walking. आपकी चिट में जब आप वाइवाज देने जाओगे वहां पे चिट में लिखा होगा activity related walking. So this is your first activity. Mark there 1. Mark it 1. Now, what would be the objective over here? What would be the objective of a teacher? What would be the objective to achieve? Can you tell me? Here, can you see the star marking? Yes? Those are all objectives. And can you see the smiley faces? Those are activities.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here, I will show you all, like I will perform the activity. Fine? Let's see first the objective. Objectives to achieve. A preschooler should be able to walk straight with ease. A preschooler, that is...
Ma'am,
4 to 6
your
years
audio is
old.
mute.
No, I'm there.
Hello.
Yes. You can hear me?
Yes, we can. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
You can hear me, everyone?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So a preschooler should be able to walk straight with ease. A preschooler, that is 4 to 6 years only, should be able to walk backward. Now for playgroup, Shanti, please make yourself mute. Okay. Now, here for a playgroup and nursery, we can't make them walk backward. Okay? They may fall down. So, backward walking हम नहीं करवाते हैं. Yes, junior, senior, you can make them do with holding their hand. Then a preschooler should be able to walk on a curved circular line. For example, 8. You can draw a big 8 on the ground and you can make them walk on that. A preschooler should be able to control the speed of walking. Now, for example, junior and senior children or a nursery child, I can say, come on, walk fast. Chalo, chalo, jaldi, jaldi, walk fast. So your speed. I can tell, come on, children, walk slow. So they can walk slow. So now, let's start with the activity. First, I will show you an activity and then I will read that part. Okay? Fine. Everyone can see me? Yes? Okay. Here? Good morning, children. Yes. How are my butterflies? All looking fresh today? Very good. Yes, today is what, children? Monday. And Monday is what? Play day. Yes. So, what do? Yes, we go down on the ground to play. So, are you ready to play? Very good. Fine. I want you all to form a line, form a straight line. Come on, everyone. First, let the girls come here. Yes, all the girls. Yes, come on, Tanvi. Yes, Ishani, you're in a line. Very good. Very good. Now, put your hands behind. Now, behind girls, I want the boys to stand. Come on. Yes, very good. Form a straight line. Very good. Slowly, slowly. Come on, come on. Yes, Bacha. Come on, come on, come on. Very nice. So here, who's there? Yes, everyone. Ready? Come on. Put your hands behind. And now I want you all. Yes, come on. Let's go down slowly on the ground. Yes, very good. So here, very good, everyone. I want you all to stand and now see. What is teacher doing? Yes, teacher is drawing a big square here on the ground. Can you see a big square on the ground? Yes. Now, what you are supposed to do? You have to walk on this square. Okay? Yes, you have to walk straight. See, teacher is walking. Yes, on this line. Yes, can you see teacher walking? Slowly, slowly. And make sure, children, you don't put your leg outside the line. You should walk on a straight line. Yes. Yes. So now I want you all also to walk on this line. Chalo, let's start with girls first. Come on, yes, girls. Tanvi, come on. Yes. Walk slowly. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Clap for Tanvi. Very good. Come on, Ishani. Yes, slowly. Very good. Yes. Very nice. So, yes, children, did you all enjoy walking? Yes, walking on a straight line. Yes, how did we walk? On a straight line. Very good. Now, let's go back to the class. I want you all, come on, put your hands behind. Very good. Yes, let's go back to the class. Slowly, no pushing there. Very good. Yes. So, what did we do today? Which activity we did, children? Yes, on the ground. Can you tell me? Yes, it was a walking activity. Yes, we walked on a straight line. Very good. Clap, 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 clap. Very nice. So, did you all enjoy, children? Yes? Okay. Fine, children. Any doubts? You can unmute yourself. Children, I want you all to put on your video. जिन्होंने वीडियो ऑन नहीं किया है, प्लीज वीडियो ऑन कीजिए. I want you all to put on the video. Everyone is on? Okay. ठीक है. Any doubts, children? Yes, Chitra, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. With respect to asking the children to walk in the straight line at the time of examination, you said the only instrument that will be available with you will be a chalk and a marker board. So now it's the children making the children walk in a straight line and showing the concept. So what I want to ask here is, can we draw these shapes on the floor on the day of the exam, or have to draw those shapes on the marker board for better explanation?
No. See, gross motor, I'm talking now as a, you are in a live classroom. अगर आप live classroom में हो, तो आप कैसे करवाओगे? तो ग्राउंड पर लेकर जाओगे, उनसे वैसे करवाओगे. और जब हम एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात करें, तो आप इमेजिनरी ड्रॉ करो कि आप ऑलरेडी, जैसे मैंने अभी किया, द वे आई डिड, आई शोड यू, देयर इज अ, कैन यू सी अ स्क्वायर? So you go that way. Imaginary. Yeah, no need of writing on the board. Okay? You show it on the ground as if I have drawn a big square. Okay?
So
as an example,
triangle, walk on the triangle, walk on the circle, make a round.
Yes,
that way is enough, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Thank
I
you.
would tell you about keep going with the preschoolers, like especially playgroup and nursery. We take straight line shape like square, triangle, okay, rectangle. We don't take curved. Yes, we don't take curved one. Curved, we go with the junior and senior KG. Okay.
So
Fine.
in this, the focus should be a preschooler or a kindergarten child.
Both means these activities are for both preschoolers, complete from playgroup to senior KG.
Senior. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Thank you.
Fine. Anything else, children? Anybody? Any doubt? Afreen, want to say something?
No, ma'am. I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Fine. Now, the another activity here, let's see the activities. I'll read out the activities. While going for an outdoor play, ask children to walk in a straight line. Initially, let them keep their hands on the shoulders of the child in front of them to maintain a line. Okay, you can. मैंने ये जो एक्टिविटी करके दिखाया उसमें मैंने ऑलरेडी बच्चों से क्या करवाया था? Put your hands behind and walk in a straight line. Okay, you can make them hold on, like put their hands on the shoulder, okay, and walk. वैसे भी करवा सकते हैं. Let children stand in a circle, let them sing and do the actions according to the song. For example, let us walk in, let us walk out, and let us go around, about. You can take this activity also. आप ये activity भी ले सकते हो. Like for example, you can show them. Come on, children, I want you all. Yes, form a circle. Yes, very good. Now, when I give you instruction, come on, let us walk in. We always walk inward, okay? When I say let us walk out. Yes, make sure you hold the hands, don't leave the hand, otherwise you may fall down. Come on again, let us walk in. Okay, let us walk out. So you can take this activity also. Then the next one is, let the children walk along the shape drawn on the floor or the ground. The shape should be made of straight line. For example, triangle, square, rectangle, etc. The one which I showed you all, the first one. Get children to race each other in walking forward in a slow pace. Yes, you can take this activity also. आप ये activity भी बच्चों से करवा सकते हो. Like walking slow. I'll show you this activity also. Like for example, come on children, I want you all. Yes, what are we going down? We are going down for a race. Yes, no running race. Yes, which race we are going to see? Come on, let's go down first. Come on everyone. Put your hands behind. Very good. Let's go down. No pushing there. Very nice. Here. Now, on the ground, I will be calling three children here out. I want, yes, Om, Kunal, and Jay. Yes. Here, what are you all supposed to do, children? See. Can you see there? Who's there? Kavita teacher is standing, right? And what are you going to do? You are going to walk. Today there is no running race. What are we going to do? We are going to have a walking race. You have to walk. Yes. And how will you walk? Slowly. No walking fast. No running. Okay? So are you ready? Yes. When I say ready, steady, go, you have to walk. Okay? Ready? Steady. Slow walking, no running. Okay? Ready? Steady, go. Come on, walk slowly, slowly. Oh, walk slowly. Kunal, yes, walk slowly. Very good. You have to reach there. Kavita miss is standing there. Yes, go there. Very good. Very good. Clap, 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 clap. Yes. Who's the winner there? Yes. Yes, tell me. Yes, Kavita miss, can you please help me out? Oh, yes. Oh, Miss the winner. Clap for him. Very good. Yes. So, how did you walk? Can you tell me, children? Yes. Did you all enjoy this activity? Yes. How were you walking? Slowly. Yes. Do you all remember the story? Who won the race? Tortoise. The hare and the tortoise. Yes. So you were walking slowly. Very good. Did you all enjoy this activity? Walking activity? Okay, let's go back to the class. Okay. So children, clear? You can take this activity also. Got it? Any doubts related walking activity? Pakka? Anybody? Yes?
मैम साइडवेज
Yes.
वॉकिंग ले सकते हैं?
Pardon?
Side walking. Sideways
Side
walking.
walking. I'm not getting.
Like not straight walking, but walking like this.
Okay, this way. Okay, this way walking. It would
Yes,
be a little
ma'am.
difficult for a preschooler. It
Okay.
would be a little difficult.
Okay, ma'am.
I would make my preschoolers walk in a straight direction only.
Okay, but junior KG and senior KG?
Yes, junior, senior, but you need to have enough space over there on the ground where easily they are able to move sidewise. Okay, or you need to show them a track. एक track है, उसी पे चलना है आपको. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Anybody? Just a second, just give me 2 minutes. Fine. Let's move ahead with the next activity. That is running activity. Here you can mark it. Second, this is the second activity. What are our objectives? A preschooler should be able to run in a straight direction. A preschooler should be able to play running games. Do you all know any running game? Yes.
Potato race.
Running game. Potato race. Okay.
Musical chair.
What else? Musical
Fire in the
chair.
mountain.
Okay. Fire on
Fire
the
in the-
mountain. Okay. और कौन सी game?
Fire on the mountain.
हाँ, fire on the mountain. Yes.
Dog and the bone.
Any running related? हाँ.
Dog and the
Yes, Natasha.
Bombing the
Pardon?
city.
Bombing the city. Yes. Yes, yes. Bombing the city. Correct. Okay. So there are many running games which we can take as an activity. A preschooler should be able to start and stop running when asked with a proper coordination. Like for example, bombing the city. Bombing the city में हम music on करते हैं. The child has to run. As soon as the music stops, the child has to stop there. Okay. So that also you can take. A preschooler should be able to run with the tire smoothly. Have you seen, especially in villages, children play with the tire, hitting the tire? देखा है? टायर को हिट करके रन करना.
Yes.
तो वैसे भी ले सकते हैं. Now, activities related to running. I would like to show you all the activity first. Okay. I hope you all are enjoying the activities, right? Are you all? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, good morning, children. Yes? Oh, yes, I can see there a smile on Om. Yes. Oh, Kunal is also very happy today. Why? Okay, today is Monday. Okay, and Monday what we do, children, tell me? Yes, we go down on the ground to play. Okay, fine. Very nice. Okay, now do you all know, children, what are near? Yes, fourth day is going to come and we need to do practice. Yes. Come on, let's go down on the ground. Let's do some practice. Come on, everyone. What are we supposed to do, children? Yes, tell me. Yes, yes, yes. You need to put your hands behind. Form a straight line. Let's go down. Very good. Yes. Okay. You're on the ground. Can you see something? What do I have? Yes, I have got something here. What can you see here? Oh, there are some potatoes. Yes. Now here I have 3 baskets. One is red color basket, blue color basket, and green color basket. Okay. And here there are some potatoes in it. Yes. No, you're not supposed to eat. It is raw. Yes. What are we going to do? Same similar color baskets. Can you see there? And who's standing there? Can you tell me who's there? Kavita Miss is standing. Okay. And see there is basket. Red, blue, and green. Yes. Now, I'll be calling children here. 3 children. Let's start with the girls first. Yes. I want Ishani, Tanvi, and Kritika. Okay. So here I have Tanvi. This is your red color basket. Ishani, this is your blue color basket. And Kritika, this is your green color basket. Okay. Now when I say ready, steady, go, what are you supposed to do? Pick up a potato, run, and put it into that basket. Which basket? Yes, your it is red color. So you'll put it into a red color basket. Then yes, you have to pick it and put it into your blue color basket. Correct? Okay. The one who collects more number of potatoes is the winner. Okay. Shall we start? Okay. Ready, steady, go. Run. Come on, pick up a potato. Run, 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 run. Very good, very good. Come on, come on, come on. Very nice. Yes, come on, come back fast. Yes, very good. Come on, run, run, run. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good. Pick up another. Chalo, chali, chali, chali. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Stop, done, stop. Yes. Now bring that basket over here. Yes, let me check. Let's count. Yes, children, let's count first. Let's count, Tanvi. 1, 2, 3. She collected 3 potatoes. Clap for her. Very good. Very nice. Now, yes, let's count Ishani's potato. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Clap, 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 clap. Kritika, how many potatoes did you collect? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here, 4. Even she collected 4. Clap, 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 clap. So, you both are winner. Very good. You both collected. Very nice. Go back to your place. Very good. So, children, what were you doing? Yes, picking up a potato and putting it into that basket. Yes, you were putting the potato in another basket. Yes. What were you doing? How were you taking that? Yes, you were running. Oh, no, you were not walking. You were running. So this activity is related to running. What you did? Running activity. Very good. Clap, clap, clap. Let's go back to the class. Very nice. Fine, children. Running activity. Any doubts? Any doubts, children? Yes? Anybody? Just a second, children. It's okay. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children? Yes? Okay. technical errors होते हैं as we have work from home. So fine, let's move ahead. Activities related to running. Games like musical chairs. Put chairs in a circle with one less than the number of children playing the game. Let all children run around the chairs on the beat of music. Okay. As the music stops, children must find a chair to sit on. The child who cannot find a chair would be considered out. The one chair is removed. Start the music again and continue the same procedure again till only one chair and two children remain. The one who manages to sit when the music stops will win the game. Now ये कैसे होगा musical chair? हम जैसे normally musical chair खेलते हैं, हम कैसे खेलते हैं elders? Zigzag manner में, right? तो ये वैसे नहीं होगा. It would be placed in a circle, okay? And the chair facing should be this way, outside. ऐसे होगा, ठीक है? The child has to run as the music is on and he will sit. ऐसे, okay? Once the music stops. Okay, getting clear? So ऐसे आपको musical chair अगर बच्चों के साथ खेलते हो तो you have to go this way. Okay. The next one, you can make the play games like bombing the city. You all are aware about bombing the city game. Yes, सबको पता है? Anybody? नहीं पता है bombing the city?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Bombing the city कैसे होगा? As 4 corners, we take 4 corners, like for example Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai and Kolkata. Okay, now once the music is on, everyone has to run. Okay, सब run करेंगे and as soon as the music gets stopped, the children have to divide into those 4 corners. 4 corners में divide हो जाना है. Teacher will not be seeing that. And she will say, call out one name of the city. Like for example, Mumbai. So जितने मुंबई में खड़े हैं वो सारे out. Okay? वो वैसे गेम खेलते हैं, bombing the city. Fine? Clear? ये सिर्फ cities है, हम colors के साथ भी खेल सकते हैं. I can name the colors also, red, blue, green, yellow. I can even go with the shapes, square, circle, triangle. Okay? वैसे भी ले सकते हो. Clear? Fine. I can take the names of vegetables. I can take the name of fruits. कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. ठीक है? Fine. Yes, you can play fire on the mountain, run, run, run. Yes. खेला है सबने? Fire on the mountain. Yes. Okay. Arrange the simple races, like for example, flat race. That is your simple running race, or potato race. Okay, fine. Who is this? Mahanur Pathan, please put on your video. Mahanur Pathan, आपका वीडियो ऑन कीजिए. Yes, thank you. Priya, who is Priya? Priya, please put on your. Poonam, can you put on your video, please?
Hello, ma'am, Poonam here.
Yes.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
tried doing that, but one second, I'll tell you what it is showing. Zoom is unable to detect a camera. Make sure your camera is powered. And my camera, otherwise with Microsoft Team and all, it's connected. That's the reason.
Okay, fine, no problem.
Ma'am, since I have disrupted this, I wanted to ask also one thing. These 2 chits were going to happen for examination time, right? So they'll be giving us activities like walking, running, or they'll be giving like specific games like that, like in running, either bombing the city or something like that. So it will be common.
No, it is your yes, it is your choice.
Okay. On that, whatever we want to perform, we can do it.
Yes, exactly. In the chits, it would be written activity related to walking, activity related to running, and you have to perform.
Yeah, so no specification within that. Yeah, thank you. Thank
you. No.
Thank you.
Anybody, any doubts? Shall I move ahead? Okay. The next one is jumping and crawling. This is the third activity, jumping and crawling. Okay. The objective for jumping and crawling, a preschooler should be able to jump forward at least a very short distance. Okay. Now, especially playgroup nursery, not from the height. Okay. Draw a circle, just make them jump in, out, वैसे करवा सकते हो, ठीक है? A preschooler should be able to jump over the hurdles like rope, tire, box, etc. A preschooler should be able to crawl through narrow spaces with confidence and speed. A preschooler should be able to roll on the ground with the eyes closed. Yes, okay. You can even give them a trampoline. In the school, if we have a trampoline, we can give a trampoline and we can make the children jump on it. Okay, yes. So jumping activity वैसे करवा सकते हैं. Now, activities related to jumping and crawling are as follows. Fine. First of all, I would like to show you all an activity. Okay, I'll directly switch to the activity. I'm not starting with good morning, good afternoon. Fine. But yes, you have to make sure when you go for your Viva exams, you have to start with your introduction, good morning, good afternoon, and your conclusion. You need to conclude your theme. आपने कौन सी theme ली, कौन सी activity ली थी? So that activity you need to conclude, right? Now I'll directly switch to the activity. Yes, children, here we are on the ground, and what do I have? Yes, I have a skipping rope. Yes, girls like to play with skipping rope. Yes, boys are also going to play with this. Yes, here. Now what are we going to do? See here, I want, yes. Can I get a help from, who will come here? Yes, Ria, come here. Ria, please hold a skipping rope. Yes, Ria is holding one end and another end. Yes, Kavita miss, please help me. So here. Now, this skipping rope is little, yes, it is not touching the ground. It is little above the ground here. Now, what am I supposed to do? I have to jump over this, okay? How will I do? See, look here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, jump. Yes, again, 1, 2, 3, jump. So, you have to jump over this rope, okay? So, I'll be calling out everyone, form a straight line. Yes, Ria, go and stand in the line. Yes, I'm holding over here. You need to jump, okay? Don't touch the rope, okay? You have to jump over this. So let's start. Come on, girls. First, let girls come. Ria, come on, jump. Very good. Yes, Ishani. Very good. Yes, Tanvi. Very nice. Very good. Yes, come on, Yashika. Very good. Yes, very nice. So, what we did, children? Yes, we did jumping activity. Very good. Very nice. Did you all enjoy jumping activity? Yes? Okay. Clear? This is jumping activity. Now, in your chit, children, it would be written jumping and crawling. Either you go for jumping or you go for crawling. दोनों में से कोई भी एक ले सकते हो, ठीक है? Now I will show you crawling related also. Now for crawling related, there are many options for you. You can take a tunnel. You get those plastic tunnels. उसमें से आप crawl करवा सकते हो. You can take with this same activity, with the skipping rope only you can make them crawl. उसमें से भी मतलब वो भी आप use कर सकते हो. Okay. Last week, children, we did jumping activity. Did you all enjoy that? Yes. Now, with this skipping rope, we are going to do crawling activity. What are you going to do? You have to crawl under this rope. Yes, on your fours. Yes, with your knee down. Yes, on the palm, and you need to crawl. You will crawl under this rope. Make sure when you are crawling, if you touch, your back touches the rope, you are out. Okay, so are you ready to crawl? Yes, come on. Yes, ready? Let's start with the boys first today. Come on, yes, I want. Come on, Bihan. Crawl slowly. Don't, yes, you're not supposed to touch. Slowly walk, crawl, 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 crawl. Very good. Very nice. Very good. So, what we did, children, today? We did crawling activity. Very nice. Clear? Yes, children? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
मैम
Yes.
इंटर्नशिप के वक्त जब हमें मैम ने बताया था कि जंपिंग का एक्टिविटी करवाना है, सो तभी कुछ स्टूडेंट्स थे जो करना नहीं चाहते थे. लाइक वी वर आफ्टर देम, यू नो, ट्राइंग ट्रिक्स टू मेक देम जंप, बट दे weren't रेडी टू डू इट एट ऑल. तो उस सिचुएशन में हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
अब जैसे बच्चों के भी मूड स्विंग्स होते हैं. कभी मूड में होंगे तो बहुत अच्छे से करेंगे, कभी कई बार बच्चे नहीं करना चाहते हैं. दैट टाइम नहीं करना चाहते, थोड़ी देर के बाद वो दूसरे बच्चों को देखकर खुद वो इन्वॉल्व हो जाएंगे. ऐसा भी होता है कि एट दैट वेरी मोमेंट दे डोंट वांट टू डू, बट लेटर ऑन कोई दूसरा बच्चा कर रहा है ना, and when you encourage, when you motivate the children, अरे वाह, very good विहान, you are doing jumping, तो वो देख के ना उससे भी ऐसा लगता है मुझे भी जंप करना है, मुझे भी टीचर वेरी गुड बोलेगी, तो वो खुद भी करेगा. तो वैसे टाइम पे दूसरे को मोटिवेट करते हुए देखेंगे, वो खुद अपने आप को फील होगा कि नहीं मुझे भी करना है. ओके
ओके, बट
Okay,
मैम
there is-
एट अ पॉइंट पूरे क्लास में कोई भी जंप करना ही नहीं चाहता था. सो तब क्या करें?
ऐसे तो बहुत कम होता है, लेकिन फिर भी कई बार here you need to make it very interactive, इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना है एक्टिविटी को. ऐसे ही सिंपल, अगर जैसे कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट है, चलो इसके बाद ना हम कुछ और अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग करने वाले हैं, लेट्स डू फर्स्ट जंपिंग. योर टीचर हैज टू इनिशिएट दैट. ओके चलो कम ऑन, यू हैव टू मेक इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर दैट. ओके, तो ऑटोमेटिकली बच्चों को होगा कि मुझे करना है.
ओके,
just a second here. Priya, who is Priya? Priya is there? Priya.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. हाँ, yes.
अगर चिट में जंपिंग एंड क्रॉलिंग दोनों आया तो हमको दोनों एग्जाम्पल करके बताना.
नहीं, या either of it. Either you go for jumping or you go for crawling.
Okay, any
दोनों
one
में
at a
कोई
time. Okay.
Any one at a time.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Who is Danish? Danish कौन है? Can you please put on your video? Who is Danish? Yes, please. I need to know. Priya was not registered. See, the one who have registered can only enter this module, this session के लिए. जो रजिस्टर नहीं है हम उनको नहीं रखेंगे. Fine. Gone. Okay. Fine. अभी तक any doubts, children? पक्का कुछ नहीं, आगे बढ़े. Very good. Are you all enjoying? Yes. Okay.
मैम,
Yes.
कॉलिंग एक्टिविटी में करके बताना पड़ेगा, डेमोंस्ट्रेट करना पड़ेगा कॉल करके.
कौन बोल रहा है, जरा प्लीज नाम बताएंगे मुझे. हाँ,
तेजल.
I can't hear you, dear.
तेजल.
Tejal. Yes, Tejal. Tell me.
क्रॉलिंग एक्टिविटी में क्रॉल डेमोंस्ट्रेट करके बताना पड़ेगा, क्रॉल करके बताना पड़ेगा.
नहीं करोगे तो चलेगा, लेकिन like as I said, on your fours, okay, knee और palm रख के crawl करो, चलेगा. Okay, you no need of showing that exactly. ठीक है? Anybody else? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
unfortunately, I'm not. I'm having a lot of difficulty hearing you well, so I'm not able to enjoy it.
You are not able to hear. Can you put your earphone?
The voice is cutting off.
You need to be in a network area. अगर आपका जो इंटरनेट कनेक्शन प्रॉपर नहीं होगा तो भी नहीं सुनाई देगा. Rest others can hear me clearly.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
we can hear you.
I would suggest, हाँ. So please, आप अगर आपका नेटवर्क चेक करोगे क्योंकि बाकी सबको सुनाई दे रहा है.
Okay, ma'am. I'm trying.
Please check your mobile data, network, everything.
Okay.
ठीक है? Fine.
Try.
Okay. So, jumping and crawling. Activities related to jumping and crawling are as follows. Let children form a hurdle by putting their feet together as they sit facing each other on the ground. Let each child in turn jump over their legs. Have you all played Kanda Fodi? खेला है Kanda Fodi? पता है आपको?
Oh. Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट हाँ, रुको मैं दिखाती हूँ. Just wait. ऐसे बैठते हैं. Have you all seen? We sit this way, putting the leg straight. Okay, ऐसे. Then we put another foot. ऐसे. Then we
Yeah.
put one hand. Then another hand. And you have to jump over it. Kanda Fodi. पता है खेला है ऐसा बचपन में?
हाँ. Yes.
खेला है? Okay. तो ऐसे आप खेल सकते हो बच्चों के साथ. बच्चों को रियली बहुत मजा आता है. They really enjoy this. You can play with them. Okay. So you can take this activity. Draw a circle and get the children to stand on it. If the teacher says in, the children should jump forward into the circle. If the teacher says out, the children should turn and jump out of the circle. This especially we go with the playgroup and nursery children, like jump in, jump out. Should I just wait? I'll show you this activity. I've drawn a big circle over here. Can you see, children, here a big circle? Yes? Okay. Now, what are you supposed to do? You have to stand in this circle. Okay? You will stand in this circle. Okay? Now, what are you supposed to do when teacher says jump out? You need to jump out. When I say jump in, you have to turn and jump into the circle. Okay? So this is how you are supposed to do. Right? So when teacher says jump out, you will jump out. When teacher says jump in, you will turn and jump in. Okay? So this is a jumping activity. So you can take with the playgroup and nursery children. The next one is, let two children hold a rope at a low height and get the other children turn to jump over it one by one. So you can take this also. Now, let two children, the one which I showed you all, the first one. Let two children hold a rope at a low height and get the other children to crawl under it one by one. The second activity is related to crawling. Now, you can even make children do, there is another activity which you can do with the children. आप बच्चों के साथ dramatize करवाओ the animal movement. Like for example, the teacher will say, come on, move like a tortoise. So the child will do that way. Then the other one is like walk like a lion. Okay. So that way you can tell them the movements, animal movements, and you can make them do activity. Okay. So this is related to jumping and crawling. This is the third activity which we covered. Now the fourth activity is balancing. Okay. A preschooler should be able to balance on a beam, fallen tree trunk, wooden plank, etc. See, these are the objectives. As a teacher, what we can do, we can make them walk on a beam, a wooden plank. A preschooler should be able to balance on one foot for a short time. This is for junior, senior children. A preschooler should be able to carry the objects on a head without touching them for a short while. Okay. You can take balancing, that is balancing the book on the head. You can take that activity. You can take a glass filled with water and you have to walk. Okay. If the water spills, you are out. तो वो एक्टिविटी भी ले सकते हो आप. With the preschoolers, you can go with a plastic balls. पता है छोटे छोटे balls आते हैं light weighted. वो balls उनको palm पे रखना है and they will walk. Okay. If the ball falls down, you are out. Okay. तो वो activity भी आप ले सकते हो. Fine. I'll show you the activity first, then we'll read this. Okay. Okay. Good morning, children. Yes. So are you all ready for the activity? Yes, here. What do I have? Here I have some books. Yes. And we are going to, yes, not hold the book. We are going to keep this book on our head and we are going to walk. Okay. Now see how you are supposed to walk. Okay. Look here. What is teacher doing? Teacher has a book. Here I am keeping the book on my head. And when I put the book on my head, I am not supposed to look here and there. नहीं तो book नीचे गिर जाएगी. Yes. And I am not supposed to hold the book. Yes. What will I do? I'll just put the book on my head and look straight and walk. Yes. See, look here. Yes, what did I do? Yes, I took the book, I put it on my head and I had walked, right? Yes, I was balancing the book on my head. So children, even you all have to walk. Okay, let's do this. Okay, chalo. Yes, I want here. Aditya, come on. Yes, come on, Jay. And yes, Karan, very good. Okay, here I'm putting the book on your head. Okay. Now, you have to walk slowly, huh, children? See, don't touch. Yes, don't look here and there. Ready? Walk. Slowly, dhire, dhire, chalo, come on. Yes, walk. Yes, don't touch, Karan. You are not supposed to touch the book. Very good. Walk slowly. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. Very good. Very good. Clap for them. Clap for them. Clap for them. Very good. So what did you all do, children? What did you all do? Yes, you all were balancing the book on your head. Yes. What you did? You balanced the book. Very good. Clap, clap, clap. Let's go back to the class. Very good. Very nice. Yes, children. Cleared? This is a balancing activity. Any doubts?
Ma'am, you can do the lemon and the spoon wala activity.
lemon and spoon for the
Yes.
preschoolers would be little difficult because holding the spoon in their
No,
mouth.
so they can hold it with their hand, with their hands,
can.
and they can balance, right? Okay.
Yes, yes, that you can
Okay.
do, but not keeping the spoon in the mouth.
In the mouth. Okay. Okay. Fine.
ठीक है? Okay. Place a long and a narrow wooden plank on a brick for support in a straight line. Get all the children to stand in a row and walk one by one on the plank without stepping down sideways or using any support. Yes, आप ये activity भी ले सकते हो कि there is a wooden plank and you have to walk on it. There is one more, Prajakta. Okay. Get all children to stand in a row and walk one by one on the plank without stepping down sideways or using any support. Second activity is later introduce difficulties in these activities. For example, put planks followed by tires on which children have to jump, followed again by a plank and so on. Are you getting, children? मतलब आपने पहले क्या रखा है, एक वुडन प्लैंक रखा है और वुडन प्लैंक पर आपने बच्चों को चलने के लिए कहा. Okay, you will make them walk on it. And later on, for junior, senior children, you can add few obstacles like putting obstacle, like for example, a tire in between or any other object, and you tell them to jump over it, walk, and go. Okay, that way also can be done. Clear? Or else you can, as I said, you can take a simple and best activity, that is balancing a book on your head. Fine. Arrange a race of children in which they have to walk balancing some object, for example, balancing a book on the head or a glass of water in hand without spilling the water. Fine? Clear? Any doubt? No? Okay. Now, the next, this is the fifth activity, catching and throwing. Okay. Now, both things go together, catching and throwing. आपकी चिट में लिखा है catching and throwing. So ये दोनों चीजें साथ में ले सकते हो. Or you can only go with a throwing activity also. Throwing activity, there is a stack of bottles and you have to throw the ball. There is a basket, a tub, and you have to throw the ball into it. So throwing activity bhi le sakte ho. Only throwing activity can also be taken, or you can either like go together, catching and throwing. Okay. A preschooler should be able to catch and throw a small ball from a short distance using hands. Okay. Now I'll show you catching and throwing activity. Okay, children, let's go down to play. Now you're on the ground. I want you all to form a circle. Come on, everyone, form a circle. Very good, very nice. Yes. Now see, what do I have? Yes, I have a ball. Yes, soft ball. Nice. Looking nice. Yellow color ball. Yes, it's yellow in color. Okay, now teacher is going to stand here in middle and I will throw the ball. I will call out the name first. Okay. And you have to, once I throw the ball, you need to catch the ball. What are you going to do? You are going to catch the ball. And if you miss the catch, you are out. Okay. So let's start. Okay. Ready? Yes. Very good. Yes. Ready, steady. Here I throw the ball. Yes. I call out the name. Jay. Very good. Clap for Jai. Yes, you catch the ball. Okay, throw the ball to the teacher. Very good. Yes. When teacher caught the ball. Okay, here I throw the ball to Navya. Navya, catch. Very good. Throw the ball to the teacher. Very nice. Yes, here I got the ball. I'm throwing the ball to catch the ball. Very good. So back to the teacher. Yes, very nice. So everyone enjoyed? Which activity we did today? Do you all know what teacher was doing? First teacher threw the ball, and what were you doing? Yes, what were you doing? You were catching the ball. Oh yes. And Navya, what did you do later on? Once you catch the ball, what did you do? What did teacher say? Throw back to the teacher. Throw back to the teacher. Yes. So you had thrown the ball to the teacher. Very good. So here, which activity we did today was catching. Come on, everyone. Very good. Let's go back. Very nice. Clear, children? Yes? Any doubts? Children, any doubts? Clear? Catching and throwing activity? Completely fine? Okay. Okay. Activities related to catching and throwing are as follows. Get the children to stand in a circle. The teacher should stand in the center of the circle and throw a large ball towards each child by turn. Okay? By turn wise, आप सभी बच्चों को ball दोगे. Asking the child to catch the ball. The ball should be large and light. How it should be? Large and
Light.
Okay. Let the children sit in two rows opposite each other. ये activity भी ले सकते हो आप. Making the children in two opposite direction. एक group को एक row में, एक group को दूसरे row में, opposite sides में, and let them throw the ball. Let the children sit in two rows opposite each other. Let each child throw the ball towards the child sitting in the opposite row. Now, that was catching and throwing related. Now, this one, the third activity is related to only throwing activity. That is, make a pyramid of empty tins and ask the children to strike down as many tins as they can by throwing a ball at the pyramid. You can take those, bowling stack of bottles मिलते हैं प्लास्टिक के, वो भी आप यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है? Hang a tire low from a tree or a beam and ask children to throw the ball through it. You can tie a tire, okay, and you tell them to pass the ball from it. So that is related to your gross motor development. Any doubts, children? ये सारी एक्टिविटीज ग्रॉस मोटर रिलेटेड थी. ऐसे चिट में ऐसे लिखकर नहीं आएगा कि ग्रॉस मोटर. ऑल इंडिविजुअल 5 चिट्स होंगे, मतलब ऑल टोटल 44 एक्टिविटीज रिलेटेड चिट्स होंगे. यू हैव टू पिक. इट मे बी ईदर related to gross motor or fine motor, anything. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's move ahead. Yes, anybody doubt?
Ma'am, in catching and throwing, only one or both you need to perform?
See, only throwing activity आपको करना है. You can go for only throwing activity. But
Okay.
as when you go with a catching and throwing, simultaneously it goes. When I throw the ball, there should be like a child who is catching the ball.
Catching, yeah, correct.
Okay? हाँ, तो this both goes simultaneously, catching and throwing. But if you want to go specifically like with throwing activity, like throwing the ball on a stack of bottles or throwing a ball into the basket, that you can do. You can take only throwing activity also.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Thank you so much.
Anything else? Yes, Chitra?
Ma'am, with respect to catching and throwing, as you said, you can pick up either of the activity or in a way show that you're portraying both the activities. What is the problem here is when we are trying to show both, say for example, catching is always accompanied by throwing when you teach younger children. So they are like, it's a reflex. Like when you catch, they want to throw and vice versa. So when you're explaining it in even an imaginary way, what if you can just say that I will be doing both the activities simultaneously and then perform? Will that be okay, or you have to be specific? No, I'll be doing only catching. I'll be doing only throwing, that way. I mean.
No. You can do both the things together.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Now let's move ahead for fine motor development. Can you help me out with the fine motor development? What is fine motor development?
Is the use of your fingers and wrist.
Fingers. Yes.
Okay.
Fingers and
It
wrist.
is related to your soft muscles. Okay.
Fingers,
Fine,
wrist,
fingers and wrist.
Balancing on toes.
Okay.
wrist,
Pardon?
yes. Wrist also.
Said something? Say loudly. Yes, I can't hear. Anybody said something?
Development of fine muscles.
Fine. Okay, related to soft muscles. Okay, fine. Let's see some activities for fine motor development. Include the following. I want everyone to mute themselves. Please mute yourself. Thank you. Bhavna, mute yourself. Thank you. Afreen, Bhavna, please mute yourself.
Ma'am, there are chances that we get both the activities related to gross motor development.
Yes, हो सकता है कि दोनों ग्रॉस मोटर ही आ जाए आपके हाथ में. चिट्स उठाने गए, दोनों ग्रॉस आ गए, दोनों फाइन आ सकते हैं, कुछ भी हो सकता है. चिट्स कैसे भी आ सकते हैं. आपने जो पिक किया, जो आया वैसे. ओके, ठीक है. Playing with clay is usually done individually. Give children fairly large quantity of clay and let them pound it, roll it with their hands and palms. Make various shapes and articles as they desire. Children should not be asked to imitate the teacher or other children. Now, this activity is related to clay. Okay? Now, give each child a bowl having beads and string. Activity of threading beads is a good for eye-hand coordination. Now, eye-hand coordination, can you look up and thread the beads? कर सकते हो वैसे? नहीं. There should be eye-hand coordination, right? Okay.
Yes.
Later, children may thread the beads according to pattern. For example, 2 red beads, 1 blue bead, etc. Or a large and a small bead alternatively. Okay. So this is threading related activity. हम individually भी देखेंगे. Paper craft such as paper crumpling, paper tearing and folding. Rhymes and finger play. Rhymes and finger play. What type of rhymes you can take related to your fine motor?
Twinkle,
twinkle.
Pumpkin can sing, okay?
Twinkle,
Head and
twinkle.
shoulders, knees and toes.
Twinkle, twinkle, yes.
Twinkle.
Head and shoulders,
Yes,
knees
tell me,
and toes.
Huh?
Head and shoulders, knees and toes.
Head and shoulder, knees and toes, okay? What else?
1, 2,
Fine
3, 4,
motor
5.
related.
Spider.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Anything else? Come on.
Incy spider. Incy spider.
Incy spider. Okay. और कौन सी ले सकते हो? Roly poly. Yes, you can go with that. Okay. So these are rhymes which you can take. Okay. Rhymes and finger play which have use of hands and finger. Use of hands and finger help in fine motor development. Now, writing readiness activities such as, now related to writing readiness, what type of activities you can conduct? Like coloring large pictures or a shape, tracing, drawing patterns in sand with stick or with crayon on a large sheet or with a chalk on the blackboard. Collage work can be carried out by children individually or in groups. Material like piece of cloth, feathers, pebbles, string, wool, colored paper, etc. can be used to collage the pictures and objects. Now, equipments which help in fine motor development are as follows. You can use these materials like plastic bottles and boxes with the lids of different shapes and sizes. Now, you can take this activity, okay? Like for example, giving them a bottle, different lids, okay? Come on. ठीक है, ये करवा सकते हो एक्टिविटी आप बच्चों के साथ. Large wooden or a plastic beads of different colors. You get those beads, big beads. Threading activity करवा सकते हो. Round tip scissors, paper, gum, etc. Have you seen those round tip scissors? Nowadays we get children child friendly scissors, plastic की देखी है, yes, तो वो use कर सकते हैं. Crayons, chalks and large blackboard. Clay and a play doh, paint brushes with large handles. Now, let's see here the sixth activity, that is clay activity. This is the sixth activity we are going ahead, and it's a clay activity. Now, this activity should be taken individually. You can't give them in a group. अब बच्चों को एक साथ सबको 5 people are sitting and एक group में आप clay दे दो, नहीं, ये individual होगा. It would be given everyone a lump of clay and they have to do. A preschooler should be able to mold the clay into simple shapes and decorate it with other materials like flower, leaves, twigs, etc. Now, first I would like to show you all this activity. Activity related to clay molding. Good afternoon, children. Yes, everyone had your food? Yes, everyone had the food? Okay, you had your tiffin. What you brought today? Oh, you brought chapati. Okay, very good. Then, Tejal, do you want to say something? You have raised your hand. Yes, Tejal?
Sorry,
you want to say something? Do you want to say something? You have raised your hand.
Sorry. I missed it.
Okay. Where do I was? Okay, fine. So yes, everyone had your tiffin? Okay. So now, let's do fun activity. Yes. Here, what do I have? Here I have a clay. Can you see this clay? Wow, colorful clay. So we all are going to play with the clay, but make sure, children, when you are playing with the clay, you are not supposed to put the clay in the mouth. And after playing your clay, with your clay, you need to wash your hands. Yes, everyone will wash your hands. No putting hands in your mouth. Okay, fine. So are you ready? I'll give you everyone a clay. Yes, everyone there. Everyone got the clay? Raise your hand. Did you get the clay? Yes, there at the last bench. Very good. Okay. Now, children, you can make anything. Okay, you can make anything of it. आपको जो बनाना है बना सकते हो. Come on, make anything out of the clay. Yes, yes. Come on. Let me see. Okay, Yashika, what are you making? Oh, you're making a ball. Wow, I can see there. Very good. Yes, Maya, what are you making? Oh, you are making a chapati. Okay. Yes, let me see, Suneri. What have you made? Oh, you made a laddu. Wow. Yes, Bhavna, what are you making? Oh, you made a snake. Wow. Okay, so everyone is making something. Very good. Now your teacher is also going to make something. Here I have 2 different color clay and I'm going to make some small balls. Can you see here? Yes, I'm making small balls. Yes. Now I'm going to take both these balls, small balls, two different colors, and make them pound it slowly together. Yes, what is this? This is a football. Yes, I have taken two different color clay, made small balls, and then I found it together and I made a football. You can also do this. Isn't it looking nice? Yes. Boys, do you all like to play with football? Yes. Okay. So you're fine. Now everyone is going to put their clay in your bag. Come on, everyone. I want you all to put it in your bag. Very good. Yes. And what are you going to do? You are going to wash your hands. Yes. Yes, very good. And settle down. Yes, everyone. So did you all enjoy playing with clay, children? Yes. Did you all enjoy? Very good. Clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap. Very good. So children, enjoy playing? Yes? Understood clay activity? Girls? Fine. Anybody want to say something? Want to ask something? No? Okay. Put some wooden board or a cardboard in front of every child and give them a lump of clay for molding. Let the molded object dry. Children should wash their hands after working with clay. Children, if left alone, would often have the habit of making only clay balls. अगर आप सिर्फ clay दे दोगे बच्चों को, and what they will do then? Only make a ball. Okay? So the teacher should sit with them and also make some different objects. So here, what teacher did? Teacher made football. Okay? The teacher can talk about what she is making, but she should not ask the children to copy from her. Have you all seen? Did you all observe something? मैंने क्या किया? पहले clay दे दिया सबको. Then I started making the balls, right? अगर मैं पहले करती तो बच्चे मुझे कॉपी करते. Are you all getting? Girls? Yes? So first, always give them, let them come up with their own ideas, their own creativity, and then the teacher can also, yes, the teacher has to do that. But later on, let them first start, let them think, okay? This would enhance the child's ideas and thinking. Clear, anyone? Everyone clear? Okay. Now, the sixth activity is drawing, coloring, and painting. Now, children, आपके चित्र में लिखा होगा drawing, coloring, and painting. ठीक है? You have to perform any one. Either you go for drawing, either you go for coloring, or you go for painting. तीनों में से कोई भी एक करना है. ठीक है? I will show you all three. Okay? I will show you all three. Fine? Ready? Okay. Can you all see this? Can you see my whiteboard, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Okay. Everyone can see it properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon, children. Yes, everyone looking fresh? Yes, today is Friday, and Friday is what? Our activity day. Okay. So what activity you want to do? Okay. You want to draw something, children? Yes, you want to draw something? Fine. Teacher is going to teach you how to draw. Yes. Come on, everyone. I want you all to fold your hands. Come on, everyone. Fold your hands. Look here. Here, look here on the board. What teacher is going to show you? Here. What do I have? Your. Yes. What can you see here? Can you see a dot over here? Yes. Can you see a dot? Okay. Now, which letter is this? Can you tell me, children, which letter is this? Yes. Which letter? Letter C. Okay. Now, what am I going to do? Yes. What did I do? Yes, I have joined this. And which shape is this? Can you tell me which shape? Yes, children, which shape is this? Yes, it is circle. Very good. We have learned this shape. Yes, teacher taught you this shape? Circle shape? Very good. Now, yes, Suneri, your name starts with which letter? S. Okay, so I'm going to write here letter S. Oh, what we have drawn? Yes, this is ball. What is this? This is a ball. Yes. So what we have drawn? Teacher taught you all how to draw a ball, right? Again, shall we do it again? Yes, children, let's do it again. Okay. First, come on, everyone. Look here. Teacher has drawn a dot. Your teacher wrote a letter C. Here she is joining the letter C. Yes. Teacher ने draw किया circle. Now, I'm going to write a letter S. So this becomes my ball. Yes. So आज teacher ने आपको क्या सिखाया? Teacher taught you how to draw a ball. Yes. Now I want you all to draw a ball. Come on. Yes, in your book. Come on, everyone. Draw a ball. Come on, everyone. Yes. Vivan, come on. Start doing. Draw a ball. Very nice. Okay. Now, come on. Yes. Reena started drawing. Come on, Reena. Yes. Okay. Oh, yes. I can see Suneri has drawn a ball. Very good. So, children, what we did today, we have drawn a ball. Now, teacher is going to give you a homework. Yes. And what I want you all to do, when you go home, you have to draw. Yes. What are you going to draw? I'll show you all. Teacher taught you all how to draw a shape. Which shape? Circle shape. You know how to draw standing line, sleeping line? Yes. So this is how you will draw. This is your homework. What are you going to draw? Sun. Okay? Fine? So this is your homework, children. I want you all to draw a sun. Okay? So next week, when you come back on Friday, your homework should be done. Okay? Fine. So here I have done an activity related to drawing. Yes, children. Last week, I had given you a task. Yes. Homework done? Drawing? Okay. So what are we going to do? We are going to do coloring. Yes. You have drawn a sun? Okay. Can anybody tell me who has not done homework? Yes. Homework किसने नहीं किया? सबने किया? Okay. So now let's do the coloring. Now look here, children. What is this? Sun. So how will you color it? Okay. You can take, yes, you want to color it with yellow color. Okay, you can use yellow color. Oh, you want to color it with orange color? Okay, you can color it with orange color also. Okay, now when you are coloring, children, see, when you color, make sure you don't press the crayon. Okay, आप crayon को press नहीं करोगे. You will color it in one direction. Okay, how will you color it? In one direction. Fine. And make sure it does not go out of the line. Okay, when you are coloring, it should not go out of the line. It should be within this line only. Okay, you have to color it in one direction. Cleared? Yes? Okay, so let's start, children. Color it slowly. Okay, very nice, very good. Yes, Ishani, very good, very nice. Color it. Very good. Show me, show me, show me, show me. Yes, let me see how you have colored. Wow. Yes. So nice. Very good, Suneri. Yes. Oh, very nice. So, everyone, did you all enjoy coloring? Yes. Coloring activity? Okay. Very good. Clear, children? Yes?
Ma'am.
Children, any doubts?
Poonam here.
Yes,
Ma'am, there's
Poonam, tell me.
yeah, one query. You know,
Yes.
drawing, coloring, and painting. So, like, suppose if this task comes in either, so if painting, so which will include drawing also, na? Like, we'll be having both there, right?
First,
So we can use that. Sorry.
See, for painting, I'll come to that point also. In painting,
Okay,
I can only go for a spray painting also. I can go for a magic painting. Not necessary, I should go for drawing. So here I'm giving you 3 options. Either you go for a drawing, either you go for coloring, or you go for painting. Any of it.
Painting. So that will
I
be
can directly
separate.
go for a cotton painting also. I can also go for a only cotton painting. I can go for a magic painting. I'm coming to the painting part also. Just a second. Wait.
Surely, ma'am. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Let's move ahead. Okay, children. So today is Friday. Yes, what is Friday? Friday we have our activity, and I know you like to play with colors. Yes? Okay. Before we move ahead, I'm going to show you some magic. Are you ready to see magic? Yes, children? Yes, everyone? Yes, come on. I want to see you all nodding your head. Come on, if you want to see a magic. Come on, everyone. I need to nod. Yes, come on, come on. Let me see, let me see. I can't see. Yes, you want to see a magic. Can you tell me the magic words? Can you tell me the magic words? Come on, children. Magic words. Abracadabra. Yes, your abracadabra. And I'm going to show you some magic. Here I have a worksheet. Can you see this? Anything? Anything on it? No, nothing is there, right? Okay. Here I have a watercolor. Here I have a bowl of watercolor. Okay. Here I have a cotton. Now, what am I going to do? I'm going to dip this into watercolor. And what am I supposed to say, children? I want to see a magic. Yes, you want to see the magic? Yes. So what are you supposed to say? Kya bologe? Abracadabra. So here I'm putting this cotton, dipping it into the color, and here what do I get? Yes, star. How come? जादू, magic हो गया? कैसे हुआ magic? Yes, this is called as a magic painting. What is this? Magic painting. कैसे हुआ magic? Yes. Now, when I want to go for a magic painting, the teacher has to, well in advance, draw it with a white wax crayon on the paper, and she'll keep it ready. And while taking this activity, the teacher will use watercolor and the cotton. She'll make the child dip the cotton into the color, and she'll just make them spread it. So they'll see the magic. Okay, this is called as a magic painting. You can go for this activity. Now, when you go for this magic painting, make sure after completing the activity, you keep a wet towel along with you and you wipe their hands. Okay, this is the important instruction. The children should not put their hand into their mouth. Okay, so this is an activity related to painting. Clear? You can go with a spray painting with the toothbrush also. Fine. Anybody? Any doubts? Any doubts? Clear? Okay.
Yes, miss.
Let's see here. Yes. 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 Andrea, want to say something? Okay. A preschooler should be able to color within a large outline, though not very neatly. A preschooler should be able to scribble with enjoyment, draw lines and copy circles. A preschooler should be able to draw many meaningful figures and shapes. Now, activities related to drawing, coloring and painting are as follows. Provide children with some wet mud and give them a short stick. Now, normally we do, children, right? When we go on a beach, right? हम करते हैं ना ये सारा. बीच पर जाते तो लिखते हैं ना. Yes, I want somebody. Please mute yourself. It's Rinku, mute yourself. Thank you. So, you can give them on a sand pit. आप बच्चों से करवा सकते हो. You can make them scribble on the, or you can make them write on the sand. They would scribble on mud and form figures on mud. So that activity can be taken. Provide children with the crayons on an old newspaper or any other paper. Let them use the crayons freely by scribbling and drawing on the paper. Give children crayons and colors and let them use these freely to create their own drawing and painting. Okay? Children can do spray painting by dipping old toothbrushes in paint and form designs on paper. Fine? Cleared? Any doubts, children? Related to drawing, coloring and painting? No? Fine. We'll move ahead with printing activity.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Are you going to continue more activities now?
One more printing.
Okay, because my daughter have online session 5 o'clock. So can I leave now?
No, before that. You can. I'm just going to take this one more activity. If you want to leave, you can.
I will join you tomorrow.
No problem. No problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Welcome. Okay, let's move ahead. Printing activity. Now for printing activity, when you go with the printing, there are a lot of options for your children. You can either go with a vegetable printing, you can go with a leaf printing, you can go with a thumb printing, you can go with a finger printing, you can go with a palm printing. आप बहुत सारी activities ले सकते हो printing के लिए. Okay, fine. Here I'm showing you one activity. Okay, let's go for a printing activity. First, I'll say the objective. The objective of a printing, that is, a preschooler should be able to do simple printing on his own. A preschooler should be able to do printing in more complex designs and ways. Now, see, what is printing? Printing मतलब क्या बच्चे लोग? Do you all know what is printing? When we get an impression of something, when we take an impression, okay, that is printing. Okay, and painting, that is when we paint it with the watercolors. Okay, that is painting. And printing माना हम किसी का impression लेते हैं. Okay, that is printing activity. So here, printing activity. Okay, let's start. Good afternoon, everyone. Yes? Okay. I can see your. Yes. What did you have today in your tiffin? Yes. Poonam, tell me, what did you have in your tiffin today? Oh, you had lady's finger. Okay, wow. What about you, Natasha? You had potato. Wow. Okay. So, can anybody tell me here? Yes. Tell me. Who likes lady's finger? Raise your hand. Come on. Who likes lady finger? Yes. Okay. Fine. So, today, no, teacher is not going to give your lady's finger to eat. Here, we are going to do an activity. Yes, with which vegetable? Here, I have a vegetable which? Lady's finger. Okay. And what am I going to do? I'm going to cut this lady's finger. Here, I have a bowl of color, watercolor. Yes. And here I have a worksheet. See here. Now, what we are going to do, yes, I have here on this worksheet, yes, now, here I have a lady's finger. I have cut this and I'm going to dip it in the color and I'm going to take a stamp it. I'm going to stamp it over here. Yes. Again, dip it in the color and stamp it. Again, I will dip this. Wow. How is it looking? Nice. Okay. So do you all want to do this activity? Yes, this is printing activity. Okay. So now I'm going to call your three children over here. Yes. Come on, Yashika, Suneri, Poonam, come here. I'm going to give you all a worksheet. Now, what are you all supposed to do? Yes, dip this, hold it. Okay, hold this way. Yes, and stamp it. Very good. Stamp it over here again. Dip it into color. Yes, very good. Very nice. Clap, 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 clap. See, look here. Isn't it looking nice? Say wow. Wow. Yes. Now, yes. So, children, what we did today? We did ladies finger printing. Yes, vegetable printing. Very good. So, abhi aap ghar jaake mama ko bhi dikhao. Okay. So, did you all enjoy, children? Yes, doing vegetable printing. Okay. Bye. So, enjoyed everyone? Okay. So this is an printing activity. Any doubts, children? Anybody, any doubts? No? Completely clear? So we end the session over here. Any doubts? Pakka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So for tomorrow, same timing, 3 o'clock, same link. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Fine. Anybody, if you want to ask anything, you can ask. Okay? कोई भी doubt है, बिंदास पूछो. And if you're fine, no doubt. Okay, then you can leave the session. Bye for today.
Bye,
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very
Bye,
much.
bye, bye.
Take care.
Bye.
Thank you so much,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.